Welcome to Discomens class. This Excel tutorials explain how to lock individual cells and protect worksheet with a password. So let's say this are worksheets and we want to protect the year so that we will not make any changes whilst we lock the work spreadsheet. So we will select the area where we want to make the changes when we lock the worksheet. So you select the in stock and the cell. That is where you want to make the changes. Okay, and you right click and you go to format cells. So at the format cells, you see protection. You click on the protection. You click on the lock to unlock it and okay. So after we are done, we will now lock the whole spreadsheet. You right click on the cell's name, that is the sheet 5. You go to protect sheet, you give it a password. So when you click on OK, it will ask you to re-enter the password again. Okay, so we are done protecting our worksheet. So if you want to type anything, it will tell you to make a change, unprotect the sheet. So also you might be required to enter the password. Okay, so by here, the place we unlock it, you can make changes here. So 2008, if you want to change the 33 to 45, you can change it here and it will reflect. And 2013, if the sales was 800, you can change it here. So this tutorial shows how to lock individual cells and also protect the worksheet. Thank you.